Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is the newest Ferrari made. Really crazy car. Needs an exhaust system. That V12 engine sounds amazing. Like the F12s, we've done straight pipes. It looks crazy, sounds crazy. So now we got this IPE system here. The rear sections are titanium. These are going to go on the 812. We have cap bypass pipes, which are these longer pipes in the front. So this car is going to be really loud when we're done. It's going to have valves with the remote, so on and off. We have new tips for it too. We're also going to be lowering this car. It's going to look really crazy when we're done. 22-inch wheels. Really crazy when we're done. So we're excited with this 812. Stay tuned. Can't wait for you guys to hear it. We have the full exhaust system on there right now. We're just gonna start it up, do an initial test, make sure it's good before we close up everything. We're also doing the springs right now, Novitec Springs, to lower this bad boy. So let's go ahead, start it, and hear it. If I can get it.
We have an S-Class here. This car is in here for suspension repair. This car does have air shock, so the car is slammed on the ground right now. We're going to fix this problem and give it back to the customer. God, it is heavy. This is like a concussion waiting to happen. So we're on a test drive with this Jaguar. I just gotta make sure everything's okay with the car, and we'll be back to RDB LA.
And the police is coming.
Oh my god! That was so freaking hard.
He was only 10 miles.
Hey, nothing wrong with the Jaguar. Hey, that's up. There's nothing wrong with your car. Drive. Oh, scared me, bro.
Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having the most time. Having God for life, I don't need a lot, he's only a star. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
For the guys wondering, this vehicle is going to the junkyard. It's a salvage vehicle, so we didn't do it to, you know, a car that's going to be fixed or somebody's car. This car is toast, so we're just having a little bit of fun.
That has the airbag. Tom, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. Perfect.
That's my jet!
Mano, you're dead.
Hey, that's my car! What the fuck?
Coming. Okay, you're good.
Hold on. Okay, you get out.
We are in the interior of the brand new Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is the F12 replacement. This car is Ferrari's most powerful, fastest production street car. Really crazy. It's almost 800 horsepower, 789 horsepower actually. It's really cool. It's got electric steering, which is a first for Ferrari. So it's smooth, crazy steering. I don't know if you guys could hear me, because it's very loud in this car. And this is in off position. So we just installed the full IPE exhaust system from header back. So it's crazy loud, crazy fast. I don't know how much more horsepower it makes right now, but it's got to make at least another 40 horsepower with those cats out, making it almost 850 horsepower. It's ridiculous. I just went through the canyons a little bit. It's super smooth. It's a big car. It's a big engine in the front, but it handles amazingly well. Again, the interior of this car is the newest Ferrari interior. It looks amazing. It's beautiful. This one's navy with yellow to match the exterior. Steering wheel's all brand new. Looks amazing. As if you guys didn't know, newer Ferraris all have the turn signals on the steering wheel, and now this one has new ones where you could actually flick it from the back too. So really convenient actually. So everything's on the steering wheel. Alright guys, so the IPE exhaust system is valved. This is the remote. You guys have seen it before. We've done a lot of these. On the 812 it makes an insane difference. So right now we're off, and then we press the button and it's a game changer. Here we have this really beautifully specced R8 V10 Plus. This car we recently installed a full coilover system and these wheels, so the car stands up incredibly well. It looks amazing with the satin gold wheels with this gray color, this Nardo gray color. It looks incredible. Alright, so we just finished up installing a Larini exhaust system. Has valves, and since this is the V10 Plus, it has the muffler control button on the steering wheel, so it still retains that, so he's going to be able to control the muffler from the steering wheel button. We've done this system before, it sounds really good. It's not over the top loud. It's a well-built system, so we're going to go ahead and take it out and make sure it's running smoothly and the customer's coming to pick it up. It's Thanksgiving tomorrow, so we also want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for subscribing and watching.
Okay, doesn't sound the same.
We had a fan come in earlier, and he said his mom watches our YouTube channel, and she doesn't like me hurting Moses. So basically, she kind of motivated me to do the opposite and hurt Moses more. So I have this mini fan over here. It's kind of funny because you get his ear very gently in it.
It feels like a blade.
Stick your tongue out. Hurry up! Oh! Okay. Okay.
Let me see it. Let me see your tongue.
No, it didn't cut it.
You didn't cut it, you liar.
You're a liar.
Go like this. Go like that.
Is there a
No,
line?
You're good. You're good.
So bite your tongue. No, bite your tongue when it's sticking out.